National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marshall County in central Illinois, northern Peoria County in central Illinois, southeastern Stark County in north central Illinois, north central Taskwell County in central Illinois, northwestern Woodford County in central Illinois until 7 o'clock p.m. At 5:51 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Princeville to Laura to Yates City and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include Peoria, Brimfield, Dunlap, Chillicothe, Rome, Spring Bay, West Peoria, Washburn, Germantown Hills, Metamora, Washington, Longridge, Kickapoo, Alta, Hopewell, Mossville, Peoria Heights, Low Point, Cazenovia, and Pattonsburg. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. And now the short-term forecast.